Hi everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. In this video we'll learn how to find the cube root of a perfect cube, and we'll do it the easy way. Let's get started. First, let's understand the meaning of the cube root of a number. What is the cube root of a number? A cube root is the number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, gives you the original number. For example, 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. So the cube root of 27 is 3. In this video, you will learn how to calculate the cube root of a number using the estimation method. So, what is the estimation method for finding a cube root? The estimation method is a way to find the cube root of a number by using nearby cube root. This method is useful when you don't have a calculator and need to quickly estimate the cube root of a number. First, we need to know the perfect cube of numbers from 1 to 10. 1 cubed means 1 times 1 times 1, and its value is 1. 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2, and its value is 8. 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3, and its value is 27. 4 cubed means 4 times 4 times 4, and its value is 64. 5 cubed means 5 times 5 times 5, and its value is 125. 6 cubed means 6 times 6 times 6, and its value is 216. 7 cubed means 7 times 7 times 7, and its value is 343. 8 cubed means 8 times 8 times 8, and its value is 512. 9 cubed means 9 times 9 times 9, and its value is 729. 10 cubed means 10 times 10 times 10, and its value is 1000. As you have noticed, the last digits of the cube numbers shown are 1, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9, and 0. We will use these to help us in finding the cube roots of perfect cube. Okay. Now let's look at the process of finding the cube root of a perfect cube. In this example, we need to calculate the cube root of 9,261. To estimate this number, we separate it into 3-digit groups from right to left. So, 9,261 is separated into 261 and 9. Next, we find a number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, gives 1 as the last digit. Based on the cube numbers shown earlier, we know that 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then, we find a number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, gives a value close to 9. The answer is 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8, which is the closest perfect cube below 9. So, we can say that the cube root of 9,261 is 21. To verify, take 21 times 21 times 21, which equals 9,261, confirming our answer. Okay, let's move to another example. In this example, we need to calculate the cube root of 42,875. First, we separate the number into 3-digit groups, 875 and 42. Next, we find a number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, gives 5 as the last digit. Based on the cube numbers shown earlier, we know that 5 times 5 times 5 give 5 as the last digit. Then we find a number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, gives a value close to 42. The answer is 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27, which is the closest perfect cube below 42. So we can say that the cube root of 42,875 is 35. To verify, take times 35 times 35 times 35, which equals 42,875, confirming our answer. This method can be used for numbers with 6 digits or fewer. It is not suitable for numbers with 7 or more digits. For those, it is better to use the long division method. That's it. Keep practicing. If you need some problems to practice, please check the YouTube comments for the practice link. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.